Thanks, Tom. It's Porsche tetanus shot here for Channel 420 News reporting on Blizzard Rafiki that has dropped 20 feet of snow on New Jersey. Here we have Santa Monica native Chad Barkley on his comments on the storm.
Yeah, boy! It's your boy Chad from Santa Monica. Alright, the blizzard is very nice. I'm here. I'm just mind blown at how hard the snow is. And I'm trying to hit some slopes.
Thank you, Chad.
Yeah! Let's go, baby!
And we'll come back to you, Tom.
Now for a moment of our sponsor. Don't smoke! It's bad! Put that cigarette on the ground and stomp it out because it kills!
Thanks, Tom. It's Bass and Mean. We're out here prowling tonight, and the locals are enjoying the weather.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Scares here. And, the snow is pretty nice outside. Some people really they don't like it. But I think the snow is pretty fabulous. And I just like the light coldness of it. And it's pretty nice.
Can you stop grabbing my microphone?
I'm sorry. It's very nice.
Sir, stop it! Stop grabbing my microphone!
Stop!
Sorry for that. Please, come back at a further date to see more 420 News. Thanks for watching.